Okay, here we go. We got a half hour to go. Seafood man. The Peach Lady's not here today. She's from the Eastern Shore, so she has a long trip to get here. She decided for some reason, I guess, not to come. That means no peaches. I just bought these 5 tomatoes you see right here in front. Take them home in a little bit. Sausages are cooking.
Yeah, I think so.
The eggs are cooking.
This is almost empty.
Our lady has tomatoes and flowers and plants. And some peaches. $5 for 3.
Next month,
Not bad.
finish out the flower season.
He's got some nice stuff right there. Look at it. I think this is the bison guy. I think. Got a guy selling bison. Yeah, got bison. Bison hot dogs, bone broth, all kinds of weird stuff. People like bison. I had one of them. It wasn't too bad. See him in there cooking. Bison burger. I mean bison hot dog. Like blueberries down here and something else. Capstone mushrooms. Oh, that's what that is. Mushrooms. Now that's a mushroom right there, guys. Here's a mushroom. You got it. I don't know if this is any kind of mushroom. Look at this ticket right here. What kind of mushroom is that? Pasture raised meats. I ain't going much further. Rocky top. Local honey. Joe Sickle, she'll be knocking them out today. The tea guy. That's a cool guy right there. Good morning. He travels all around, hiking everywhere. Brent. Top knot. Uh-oh. I don't know what that is, but that's my attention. How you doing, buddy?
Good morning, sir. How we doing?
Sauce man. Pickles. Bison. Cucumber. Sauce. Uh-oh. Donuts. Those donuts. I'm headed back now. Soap guys right here. All good granola bars. And last but not least is black shire garlic. I mean black garlic shire. Let's go.